Welcome to Choice Champions. The best folding rocker chairs is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable additions you can make to your outdoor living space, offering a gentle rocking motion that soothes and relaxes while providing a sturdy and convenient seating solution for your patio, deck, or even your campsite, transforming any area into a cozy retreat perfect for enjoying the fresh air and beautiful scenery. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair, Cinnamon. Experience ultimate relaxation wherever you go. This adult rocking chair is designed for effortless portability and quick setup, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Enjoy your favorite outdoor events in complete comfort. With convenient features like a built-in beverage holder and excellent back support, you can spend more quality time with loved ones. Our patented spring-action rocking technology allows for a smooth rocking motion on any surface, from hard ground to soft sand. It's designed for durability and comfort. Setting up and packing away is a breeze thanks to our EasyFold technology. You'll be ready to relax or move on in seconds. This chair boasts a sturdy steel frame supporting up to 250 pounds and a breathable mesh backing for enhanced airflow. It's built to last and keep you comfortable. When folded, it's incredibly compact, making it easy to transport and store. Enjoy convenience without compromising on comfort or stability. What we like? Experience smooth rocking on any terrain with this chair's innovative spring-action technology. Its breathable mesh back keeps you cool during long outdoor sessions. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable chair that sets up and packs away in seconds, this is the one for you. What people say. The chair is comfortable and sturdy, perfect for outdoor use. It folds easily for storage and transport, making it very convenient. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing, adding to the enjoyment of outdoor spaces. Number 4. GCI Outdoor RoadTrip Rocker Camping Chair. Experience the ultimate in comfort and portability with this innovative rocking chair. It's designed to bring people together for relaxation on any adventure. Whether at the campsite or in the backyard, this chair is ready for anything. Enjoy hours of quality time with convenient features like a built-in drink holder and comfortable backrest. Rest easy on any terrain thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology and shock absorbers. The sturdy steel frame and breathable mesh backing ensure lasting comfort. Setting up is a breeze, simply push the backrest and armrests apart. Packing it away is just as simple, making it incredibly convenient for travel. With a robust weight capacity and a durable steel frame, this chair is built to last. It folds down compactly and includes a shoulder sling bag for easy transport anywhere. Enjoy the gentle rocking motion on any surface, from hard ground to soft terrain. Its comfortable design and durable construction make it ideal for all your outdoor excursions. What we like? Enjoy enhanced comfort with its extended backrest and superior rocking action thanks to built-in shock absorbers. The included shoulder sling makes transport a breeze. If you prioritize comfort and portability for longer outings like camping trips or festivals, this chair is an excellent choice. What people say. The chair is comfortable and sturdy, perfect for outdoor use. Easy to assemble and fold, making it convenient for storage and transport. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing, ideal for enjoying the outdoors. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Camping Chair. Introducing the Kickback Rocker, your perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. It's designed for ultimate relaxation, whether you're by the campfire or cheering from the sidelines. Enjoy hands-free convenience with its portable design and carry strap. This chair makes it easy to bring everything you need for a comfortable outing. With a built-in drink holder and a secure phone pocket, everything you need is within reach. Experience great back support and enjoy more time outdoors. Experience smooth rocking on any surface thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. It's built with a durable steel frame and breathable mesh for lasting comfort. Setting up and packing away is a breeze. Simply push the backrest and armrests apart to unfold, and pull the frame towards you to fold it up in seconds. This chair boasts a sturdy construction with a 250 pounds weight capacity and durable materials. It's designed to provide reliable comfort for seasons to come. What we like? This chair offers a relaxed, lowered seating position perfect for lounging. It also features a convenient phone pocket and a carry strap for easy portability. If you prefer a more laid-back experience and need a place for your phone, This is ideal for backyard BBQs or casual sporting events. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing. Number 2. GCI Outdoor FirePit Rocker Lowride Outdoor Rocking Chair. Introducing the FirePit Rocker, designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Enjoy rocking anywhere with its unique features. This chair is incredibly portable, featuring a breathable mesh back and a convenient carrying handle. It folds flat effortlessly for storage and transport. Built with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, it supports up to 250 pounds. Enjoy the padded armrests and a built-in beverage holder for your convenience. Experience smooth rocking on almost any outdoor surface thanks to our patented spring action rocking technology. It's perfect for camping, sports events, or just relaxing on the lawn. Setting up is a breeze with our patented EasyFold technology. You can quickly and safely unfold it and be ready to relax in no time. Weighing only 12.1 pounds, this chair is easy to take anywhere. It's ideal for campsites, concerts, festivals, and any outdoor adventure. What we like. Designed for ultimate relaxation, this chair boasts padded armrests and a breathable mesh back for comfort. It also features a convenient carrying handle for easy transport. If you're seeking a comfortable and easily transportable chair for events like concerts or festivals, this option delivers. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing. Number 1. Alpha Camp 2-Pack Folding Camping Chair with Cooler. Get ready for your next adventure with this value 2-pack set. Perfect for sharing, these chairs offer double the comfort for you and a companion. Keep your favorite beverages cool and close by. The integrated cooler bag on the armrest holds up to 4 cans, perfect for those sunny days outdoors. Crafted with high-grade Oxford fabric and a robust steel frame, these chairs are built for durability. They provide reliable support for long-lasting use. Enjoy superior relaxation with thoughtful features. It includes a convenient cup holder and a spacious side pocket for all your essentials, plus padded armrests for extra comfort. Effortlessly take them anywhere. Weighing only 5 pounds each, these chairs fold and unfold in seconds, making them ideal for any outdoor activity or backyard relaxation. What we like. Get double the value with this 2-pack set, perfect for sharing with a friend or partner. Each chair includes a built-in cooler to keep drinks cold and has a high weight capacity. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for couples or friends heading to tailgates or camping, this set is a fantastic deal. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy. It folds up easily for storage and transport. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.